All right, and apparently when we went in the door, the camera turned off. So now we are inside. Shot back at the front door. Closet right when you come in the door here. This is the formal living room, dining room area. Very flooring, ceiling. To the laundry room. Again, nice flooring all the way through. Shelf up top. Into the garage. Electrical panel. Water heater. Okay, get a better shot of that water heater. Garage door. And they just do have quite a bit of stuff. Into the laundry room. And into the kitchen. So we've got pantry. Cabinets. That's the staining on the counter that I had told y'all about. All shut. Again, dirty floor all the way through. This is kind of like your family dining room area into your family room. Shots. Counter. And then this side is where the other bedrooms are. So carpet needs to be replaced. And flooring, bathroom, have a tub shower combo there. See counter. cabinets. Trying to avoid being in your shot there. Back up to linen closet. Ceiling. Hallway. The floor in this one is already done in this bedroom. And that is just a chalk wall that was added. They just painted it with the chalk painting. And there is one more bedroom right here. And then the primary bedroom is all the way on this side. We do have another door here going to the outside. Again, some ceiling shots. You can see the ceiling looks good everywhere. Let me see if I can go back to that one last bedroom. It's just vacated, so we'll take a quick peek in there. And this one does have the carpet. Now we'll go back to that primary bedroom. Ceiling, pretty floor, pretty kitty cat right there staring at me. I do have a walk-in closet, again flooring everything down here, nice big walk-in closet. Into the bedroom, into the primary. You have your double sinks. And you have a tub, and of course the water room, and then a walk-in shower. It is decent size, not sure if we can tell that from my video. Ceiling in there, ceiling everywhere in here. Where's the AC cabinet inside? Is that in this hallway?
Behind the door in the laundry.